So first we are going to start with the moisturizing part, and the face is very clean. It is actually washed and very nicely cleansed. So the first step I would be doing is the moisturizing part. As I always say, this is a very important step to do the base makeup. So I'm using this product from Cosmo Daycare. We'll be taking a very little. The next thing would be the primer, and I'm taking this primer from Lakme Absolute Gel Primer. Now I will be using a red lipstick because there are a lot of blemishes on her face. So I will be correcting those with the help of a red lipstick. So I'm using this lipstick from Nykaa in the shade of 30M Regal Ruby. You can take any red lipstick, whichever your favorite brand is. Using a concealer, and I'm using this concealer from the brand called Sugar Magic Wand Waterproof Concealer. Now with the help of this concealer brush, I'm using this brush from the Pack collection, and the series number is 219, and I will be just spreading, not spreading evenly, just wherever I've applied I will be just spreading in that particular region only. Like you can see, just try to dab this. Step is the foundation part, and I'm using this foundation from the brand called Nykaa Skin Shield Anti-Pollution Foundation. I'll be taking a very little because I've already used the concealer, so there won't be a need of much foundation on the face. Just dot it on the entire face, especially wherever you need a proper. With the help of the foundation brush, again I'm using this brush from the Pack series number 265. I'm going to blend this evenly. You can use a sponge or you can just dab it, but I'm using this brush because this brush is really superb and it blends nicely and it is very soft and gentle on skin. Next step is the eyeshadow part, and I'm using my favorite palette from Jacqueline Hills by Morphee. It's been long I've used this palette, and this has got amazing pigmentation. This palette doesn't have a very bright colors, but yes, it has some kind of shimmery and some kind of matte colors in it, because I will be giving a very not loud makeup. Very natural makeup I will try to give. Okay, first we are going to do the base, so I'm taking this shade from my palette. Now I will be using a little darker. Now I am going to take a little bit of shiny shade liner part, and I'm using this liner from Lakme Insta Liner. Using this mascara from Maybelline Hyper Curl. Shade of 01 Fawn First. Use this highlighter, and this is from the brand called Sugar. The series is 03 Bronze. The next step is the blush part. And I will be taking a very little, using this from my palette. That's it. Done with the blush part. Now I'm using this lip liner. So even you can buy it from any of the sites. Hair, I will be keeping it very normal because her hair is a little bit of oily, so I won't be able to do any kind of styling. But yes, I will try to give a nice look to her. Let's try the messy one. Let's see how it is. So yes, this is how the look is, guys. As you can see, it's a huge difference. I can't believe it's the same Wilma. I feel like she looks more younger than me. She looks as if she's just 30-year-old or maybe less. So this is the power of the makeup, guys. So please do watch this video and leave your comments in my comment box. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also do hit the bell icon too. Stay tuned, keep watching. Bye bye.